Vacation in the Keys was fantastic, but now it's back to the grind. We got to paint crab pots this week. We got to put together crab pots this week. I ordered some crab pots and forgot to pick them up, so I got to pick those up this week. I got to get the boats hauled out, painted, zinced, ready to go crabbing, and I got to set a catfish line. And I don't have a plan to do any of that stuff yet. But the first thing is that this cap needs to come off of this truck. And getting the cap off of this truck first starts with me getting it through the yard full of junk. And then the second step to that is with getting my beloved forklift running, my Moffett from 84 Lumber or something like that. Now sometimes this works a lot better than other times. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. Now I'm not expecting it to run without starting fluid, but you never know. Well, of course the forklift won't start. And I know I got a can of starting fluid that I used last time, but I don't remember where I put it. So next step is finding the starting fluid. Not in the cut tree section, not in the used boat section, not in the used crab pot section, not in the old chain fall section. Maybe it's in my future crab store here. Oh, son of a gun. I didn't actually even plan that. That's crazy. I can't believe I found that. Like a charm, she just wanted her morning coffee like me. I'm stupid. I just remembered why I couldn't use this to get the cap off the last time. It's because that thing sticks up and you can't get the forks far enough in there to pull it off. Shoot. I either need another person or to just get it off by myself. That was dumb. I spent all that time. Now that I got that started, I have somebody meeting me down at the boat to do some wiring on it, and I don't have time to get that thing off by myself now, so I guess I gotta shut the forklift off, go down there and meet him. This is my life. That was dumb. That was really dumb. But I will throw some things in the truck that need to go down to the boat anyway. Well, I kind of can't believe that I wasted all that time trying to get the Moffett started, to take the cap off, then remembering that I couldn't do that, and I tried that last time, but now we're just gonna do it with good old-fashioned pain and struggle. So we'll see. I've done this before. The biggest bummer is when I drop it and bust a tail light, which I've done. This is the heaviest cap ever. It's got these big fiberglass boxes in it. Ooh. Oh my God, this is not going well. Not going well. Oh. Oh. I'm good. I'm good. I don't even think I busted a tail light. Oh wow, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Now I gotta drive a little forward and hope that it doesn't just like take out everything in its path, but we'll see, could get interesting. I don't really have any help today, so one-man job here. Okay, taking it with it, not what I would want. That's how you bust tail lights. Maybe the best course of action is just drive and let it drop. Okay, not working so well. wrench stuck in the tailgate won't close. Oh, that's the stupidest thing I've done all day. Oh my God. Close, damn you. Okay. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that was stupid. That was so dumb. That was dumb. That was stupid. Don't do that. That was stupid. That was a bad idea. It's a bad idea. Oh, oh no. Oh God.